back in slave times, they probably didn't have a masher. You know what they did? They were ingenious. They used whatever worn out farm tools were available to them. And that's what they used to get through their everyday life, or things that they could have made. So we're just going to mash them. And you might say, well, what were the slaves doing all of their cooking? Well, in each slave quarter, they had a fireplace. You might think, well, that's kind of cool. They had a fireplace. Well, you have to put it into perspective. The slave quarters were about 30 by 16, and they housed 8 to 10 people. And there was a dirt floor, and people slept on pallets. So not as luxurious as we may be thinking. And they cooked over an open flame. There may have been a kettle and a device called a spider, and I read that first when I was researching, like, a spider. Are we talking bugs and creepy crawlies? No, it's a 3-legged frying pan that they would put over the open flame. It could sit down in the flame. So those were just some of the things that they were using to cook, and then the big kettle. Now, depending upon the time of the year, they may have cooked inside the slave quarters, or they may have cooked outside. And you see a lot of pictures with somebody standing and stirring a big kettle of something over an open flame, obviously outdoors. So our sweet potatoes are ready, and we're very excited, so we can move forward.